new cowl and fixing the A-pillars. That's what's happening today. What's going on, guys? Matt over here, Lethal Garage, and today I want to show you what we've done with the cowl, the dash, the A-pillars, all this stuff. Give you some before and after shots because I didn't get all the recordings on this. We got like the virus and crap going around. I got sick, family got sick, so I couldn't come up here, but Heath, being an animal that he is, got some work. So we replaced the whole upper cowl. They drilled it out. Check out some photos where you could see how it looked before. And you can see the A-pillars from those images. The A-pillars were torn apart. This whole area was just eaten alive. And so we needed to replace it. And one, we could have cut it out and formed it, and that just would have took a lot of hours. Or two, we could have just removed the cowl, which we did, and just bolt a new one in there, fix the A-pillars, get it all set up, and be good to go. Now, it did require a lot of drilling out of the factory rivets, which is never fun, but it also allowed us to put it back together from welding from the top, the bottom side instead of the top. So it looks nice and clean. It also gave us full access to underneath, so we were able to coat everything with the anti-rust, so any rust that may have been left in the the crannies of things, it's all done. So we measured the angles, we got everything done, and this is now good to go. So I'm really excited that we did replace this because now it's just right and true. And literally Heath right now is doing the last of the grinding so we can make this car a roller and start hanging sheet metal. So one of the other things that we've done is we got new doors, we got new front fenders, we got a new core support. Actually, the new fenders are right here. New core support right here. We decided we're not going to use the old seats that we had purchased, but we got all the mounts and fenders and bolts and just everything. So this car is going to be able to become a roller. We'll get the doors on, we'll get the fenders on, we'll get the subframe back in, and this thing's going to start looking like a car. But as far as the body goes, it's as solid as it can be. So really happy with how it all turned out. Now we're going to be able to get right into the body work and get to it. But again, here's some more images of the work that Heath and Craig did where they ripped out all the old junk and put the new stuff in. Obviously, as you can see, the cowl it looks really good. So I mean, it's better than new, right, Heath? That's what he's gonna say. So really the next step, now that the welding's done, we can get this thing off the rack and make it a roller. I'm gonna make that the next video. So, but that's it. That's where we're at right now. Second gen's moving along. There was a little bit of a hiatus or a little bit of break, but I think it's gonna turn out real nice. So stay tuned for more. As always, thanks for watching, guys, and until next time, see you on the road.